No, I should probably turn my phone off. It's very loud. How's it going, guys? Junior here with Custom Offsets. This week we got another episode of Reinventing the Wheel for you. It's gonna be all about soda.
Wrong soda.
Psych! This week we talk about Soda Off-Road, but some of you might recognize their styles under a different name. So before we get into it, I want to start with a giveaway. We are gonna be giving away one of our brand new Custom Offsets flag hoodies here. I want you to like this video, share this video, and tag a friend. Just share this video and tag a friend. I don't care if you like it. I want you to like it. No angry reactions though. Giving one of these away in our next episode. So tag and share, and we're gonna randomly pick a winner. I could get Shalissa wearing one with no pants on. So watch, listen, learn as we get into our next episode of Reinventing the Wheel. So starting at the beginning, Soda Off-Road was founded in 2007, but they weren't called Soda back then. Soda used to go under the name of BMF wheels. Sound familiar? Yeah. Well, BMF was super popular, and for good reason. The machining and milling processes that they use are top-notch with unique accents that stand out. The other thing is their gloss paint is automotive quality. Super high-end, Post Malone candy paint type shit.
Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo-wop drop. If you busy plot.
It looks amazing in person with the high-end paint and the distinct machining. BMF was rocking on a low supply, high demand flow, so wheels were hard to come by in popular sizes. 2015 came along, and that's when shit went down. CFE Racing had an ongoing lawsuit with BMF wheels for the name since mid-2011. CFE Racing makes race engine heads. Just throwing that out there. Not really related to aftermarket wheels, but whatever. 2013 ruling said that if BMF changed their logo and wrote a disclaimer, it could stay. In 2015, CFE decided to come back at it even after BMF fully complied. And court ruling landed on BMF needing a new logo that didn't contain BMF. So they landed on Soda Off-Road. Not Soda Off-Road, SOTA Off-Road. As the BMF Soda was the name of their first design that they had come out with. The design that was the Soda wheel model became the Soda Skull, and all of the other Soda wheels maintain their same names, just under Soda instead of BMF. This gave them a new opportunity in the market that not many companies have actually had the luxury of doing. The forced name change gave them new marketing opportunities with no stigma of low supply or having wheels on back order that they couldn't get. Soda reintroduced themselves with industry-leading technology and available inventory due to a newly erected facility. Soda Off-Road is great with their customer focus and has a prominent presence supporting the military customer base. Since day one with BMF, the military and veterans have been a huge part of their focus, which we think is super awesome. Soda even now has a veteran salute page where people can nominate vets to be submitted and potentially win a free set of Soda Off-Road wheels. Definitely something cool you can check out on their site. Now, as far as the price goes on Soda wheels, it is pretty high for a cast wheel. So yes, they are poured into a mold and pressed to be created. But spending this much on cast wheels definitely has some benefits over some of the lower cost wheels that are out there. Their wheel manufacturing facility also manufactures their own aluminums. So Soda is very specific and conscious of the materials used in all of their wheels. And the quality control is amazing. The idea behind all of Soda's wheels is to present a forged wheel look, but use cast wheel technology to do so. And like I've said before, the finishes on these wheels are some of the best I've ever seen. And the milling and machining accents just add to the overall top-end quality that Soda prides themselves on. Their newest finish is called Anthracoat, and that's actually the color of this wheel behind me here. Soda is constantly pushing new styles and continues to put customer service and quality into everything that they do. With some new design and finish releases at SEMA 2017, they are consistently pushing all of their styles, like the AWOL and Brawl behind me here. Their patented process cannot be copied, and the quality is top of the line. Thank you guys for watching another Reinventing the Wheel episode, and remember to tag a friend and share, and we might pick you to win one of our new hoodies. I'm Junior, and I'll see ya on the next episode. Soda.
Wrong soda, dumbass. Is this all from you?
No, my standing in it. I'm Junior.
One action. How's it going, guys?
F you. What? Fuller, I want to get this done. Get the f out of here.
Well, then you gotta put me down.
No, get.